Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Math Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself light-up YouTube neon sign. This is a very cool build and I enjoyed building it. For this, guys, I took a piece of cardboard, I cut it in a square. This red you see is actually a present bag. I had to cut it into a square also, a little larger than the cardboard so I could tape it to the back. This white piece you see is actually a scrap off of a job. It's used to trim external windows outside. Right here I had to glue and tape a piece of craft string to hang it up with a tack. These lights you actually see, they go around basically a bicycle wheel, and it runs on 3 AA batteries, and I just taped it to the back. And that's pretty much it to this. This is the do-it-yourself, light-up YouTube neon sign. Always be original, creative, and explosive, guys. See things that other people don't see, and make cool things like this. Like the do-it-yourself, light-up YouTube neon sign. It's really cool, guys. You could hang this anywhere. Awesome. Let me know what you guys think of it. This is the do-it-yourself, light-up YouTube neon sign. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.